To enhance privacy on Instagram, if you want to turn off your business mode and switch back to a personal account, we'll guide you on how to remove any professional account using a Samsung or any other Android smartphone. To disable your business account, which is public in nature, launch your Instagram app, go to your profile. When you're on business or creator mode, the profile will display this dashboard. You can tap on this dashboard. From there, tap on this full icon and end up settings. Or if for some reason it's not showing up, just tap on this 3 line. You'll end up in the same settings. Now scroll down and tap on business or creator tools and controls, depending on which type of profile you're using. Scroll down and then tap on switch account type. To switch it back to your personal account, just select that option. And finally, confirm your choice by tapping on switch to personal account. A telltale sign of personal account is the dashboard will disappear from your profile and the professional tools will go on from settings. Hope this video helped you in this process. Thanks for watching.